Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to add photos to frames in Canva as a complete beginner in graphic designing whatsoever. So let us begin. Alright, head over to Canva and start a new design. So let me go with that design here, with that resolution, just for the sake of this tutorial. What you want to do in the first step, guys, is head over to the Elements section on the left panel here and use the search bar to look for frames. So let me do that really quickly. Type in frames. And after that, you will see a list of frames below. So you may click on See All, for example, to get a better overview. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use a circle frame like this. So what you want to do is, for example, you may resize the given frame, adjust its size and position just like that by clicking on its corners. And after that, add a photo to your frame. Let me show you how to do that. What you want to do is pay attention again to that panel on the left-hand side. Scroll down till you get to the Photos section here, click on Photos, and pick any photo you like from the Canva library. Just bear in mind that photos and elements in general here in the Canva library that have been marked with a crown icon like that can only be used by Canva users who have signed up or subscribed for a premium account. So let me go with, let me go with that photo here for the sake of this tutorial. Left click on it, hold your left mouse and drag it to your image or to your design here, and release your left mouse just above the frame, just like that. And as you can see, the photo or image has been automatically added to the frame, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now you may, for example, customize your framed image a bit by resizing it, for example, by flipping it if you like, and so on and so forth. What you may do also, guys, is, for example, double click on the photo to gain access to these customization tools here to the left. For instance, you may crop your image by clicking on crop here and simply crop your image as much as you like. Once you're content with the results, simply click on done here in the bottom left corner. And what you want to do also, guys, is, for example, detach the image if you don't like the image and would like to replace it with another photo. To do that, simply right click on your frame photo here and select detach image from that drop down menu. And after that, simply remove it or click on that trash icon here to delete it, and repeat the same process with any other photo from the Canva library or with photos you uploaded to your Canva library yourself. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and see you next time.